Hello from our sunny and very windy location today. We are taking a look at something that Fatima has purchased. Yes, I used my credit card and I got us a colourpop mystery box. It's been a while since we've done one of those. Yes, it has. I thought it would be time to give it another try. Good idea. So, is there value in this mystery box? First up, we have a liquid eyeliner in the shade Love. It looks like this is a yellow eyeliner. And a lot of these products, from taking a peek in the box, I'm probably going to be putting into the Find a Future home box. The value for me personally is not necessarily here, although there are some goodies coming up in here, so don't give up on this video yet. It's just I want to be sure that you understand I'm not opening these up because I don't want to start their clock ticking. These will make great gifts and things for future giveaways. With that being said, let's keep going. These three lip products look like they are a bit dark for Anne's preferences. However, when put together, they would make a nice combination. Yes, I think these three would make a very nice combination. We have Melty, Digital Twin, and Come Through. One is a liquid lip, one is a lip crayon, and the other is a lip gloss. And I think they would make a nice combination, or I guess trio. Next up, it looks like they have done a collab with something called Snitchery. We are not familiar with that. This is a blush stick, and it's hard to see in the light. It's looking more orange on camera. To me, I think I would be able to use this maybe as a little bit of a bronzer or as a contour. So that's a thought. And item number 5 is an E7 brush. And it looks nice and fluffy. And I'm not sure what E7 stands for, but this looks like it could maybe be for some contour, perhaps, or maybe blending some eyeshadow. I tend to use brushes for what I think they might be used for, not necessarily what they say they're supposed to be used for. Oh well, each to their own. We are halfway through the box, and I would say my two favorites are the Snitchery collab product and the makeup brush. What do you like out there? Leave a comment down below. I want to know as I sit here enjoying the sunshine. And now, moving right along with this video, next up is some more items from the Snitchery collaboration. These are Super Shock eyeshadows. The colors are Metamorphosis and Lucid Dream. Of the two, I think I like the Lucid Dream. That's the darker one. But they both look fun. This is a Super Shock blush. I didn't realize they came in blushes. I thought Super Shock was just for the eyeshadow. So I learned something new. And this color, or this shade, I have to turn it over, is called Just Playin'. So this looks like a fun one. Maybe a little bit bright for every day, but if you blend it out, I bet it will come out a nice shade. And then there are 3 eyeshadow palettes, which means I get to do swatches. This first one is called Just My Luck, and this is what she looks like. This is called So Fly, And help me out here, Fatima. Thank you. That is what she looks like. I'm trying to get it so you can maybe see. There we go. Nice colors. Yes, very nice shades. And this one is called On Cloud Blue. And those are her colors. And there comes the wind. So after a little bit of discussion and deliberation, we are going to have Fatima do swatches from only one palette because we seem to be acquiring a lot and we don't want to just swatch a palette and then have it sit and never get used. So a couple of these palettes are going to be either in the future giveaways that I am planning, or will make great gifts for some friends. So Fatima, what palette did we decide on? We decided on the palette with the blue shades. We think that is the one that you will enjoy and get the most use out of. So cue the music or the sound effects or whatever we find. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I do shopping. What item did you like from the second half of the box? Anne's favorite was that blue cloud palette. So taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because the question was, is there value here? Or where's the value here? This mystery box was called Flowers Move, and it was $49. We've got 11 items, all full size, and it was stated to have a retail value of $121. The shipping was free. We had to pay tax. So all in, we were $52.80. So when Anne added up all of the individual prices, she came up with a total of $116. So that falls a little bit short of their stated $121 value. Yet, with that being said, I could not find a definitive price for the Shadow Duo. So if my estimate of $10 is not accurate, that gives us a $116 value. If that Shadow Duo was $15, then that would put us right at $121. So what do y'all think? Was there value here? I say there was. This was better than, I think, a previous mystery box that I had gotten, and better than some things that I've seen over the past couple of years where people get stickers and cutesy little hair clips, and I think there was value. And just because I'm not using everything for my personal preference doesn't mean that there's not value. There's monetary value as well as personal preference value. From a personal preference, I'm not sure I really got $49 worth of value, but I'm glad we tried this box. Thank you for watching today. Be sure you've commented, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. We hope to see you in another video, hoping we don't blow away off the balcony from this one. Yeah, she be a little bit windy out here today. But we do enjoy our sunshine. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.